Alright, what is up, y'all? My name is Chris. This is Lifestyle the Ambitious. Thank you for joining me today. Today, we are going to be unboxing a new watch that I just picked up. I've been really excited about. And we just got it in the mail. I actually ordered it through eBay. It's the Seiko SRP773. So it's an iconic watch. This one came out, I believe, in about 2016. I've just been pumped about this watch. My wrist is about 6.5 inches, so I was kind of nervous it was going to be a bit too big for me. But I decided, let's give it a shot. If I don't like it, we can always just send it back or sell it forward, see what happens. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing and let's see what we got. Here we go. Let's see what we have. Nice. Very cool. Very cool. So, Seiko prospects with, it says SRP773 K1, so Korea version, with the 4R36 movement. As we know, the Seiko SKX comes with the 7S26. Very smooth, very tight. Wow, that blue. Very nice color blue. I've never seen this watch in person. Okay, so I think this watch looks awesome. We're gonna give it a quick wrist shot, unsized, just like this. We're gonna come back with a full review for you guys, a proper in-depth review. But I think on wrist, I think it fits awesome. The lugs don't overhang over my wrist at all. Tell me what you guys think. I think that'll be it for today's video. If you liked the video, please make sure to like it, leave a comment, subscribe. Chris with Lifestyle the Ambitious. Thank you. Peace.